Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it is time yet again for another Rosecraft Blades knife drop. That's right, they have 2 separate models, 5 total knives dropping later today. Well, if you're watching this first thing in the morning, it'll be later today. I do believe on their site it's going to be noon Eastern, and on your retailer site, like Traditiaonal Pocket Knives, it's going to be either 8 or 9. Eastern time. So, all right, 2 knives. We're going to focus on the traditional because they've got 2 traditionals and 3 of the button lock, the new MA12 button lock. But we are going to focus on this guy. Well, no, actually, we're going to focus on this guy when it's right side up. The Mud Creek Congress. Now, this is a single-bladed Congress. When I think Congress, I think 3 4-bladed Congresses. Congressi? Yeah, whatever the plural is. But no, we have a single-bladed Congress, which, I'll have to admit, makes me happy. We're going to focus... Man, these all turn around. I have to focus... Well, I don't have to, but I'm going to focus on this one. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that burlwood. Oh, we do have a green micarta version that we will definitely look at, but for the focus of this, we are going to focus on the burlwood because, well, it's burlwood. That's why. But oh my goodness, look at the, oh man, look at the features. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Brass pins that are absolutely done perfectly. You got the rose bomb shield. Again, done perfectly. Transition, brush steel bolsters. This is done so well. I mean, you can see, you know, the lines on the back spring, but that's about it. That's pretty much where it ends. It is done very, very well. Steel liners. That's a, oh, look at that warny blade, man. Long pull. Oh, this is going to be so awesome to look at. All right. Long pull, good pull. For those of you that like a little bit lighter pull, not too light, just a lighter pull, you know. We've been seeing a lot of 7s recently. That's probably a 5, 5.5. I don't think it's quite a 6, but it's nice. Goes into a very nice half stop. Oh, yeah, we got to... There we go. We'll have a little bit of schmutz. That's okay. That's all right. D2... Andy's design. This is the MCT028 Burl, BRL. All right, so we saw the half stop. Yeah. Now, oh, look at that. Nice warny blade. Kicks into that half stop nice. And a nice clack shut. Very nice. In hand, yeah. Terrific pruner. You know, with that curvature that we see in a Congress. Beautiful pruner. Oh my goodness. But yes, does feel good in hand. Nice. Nice. Just had to get a feel of the back spring. Oh, that's a nice swedge on that warny blade. Oh yeah. Sharpening choil. Oh, that looks nice. All right. So, get a quick spec check in. So, I'll zoom out just a little bit. There we go. That'll do it. So, overall, we are reaching about 6.5 inches, roughly, and that's just a little over 3.5 on the handle. So, our blade's going to be just shy of, our blade's going to be just shy of 3. Cutting edge is going to come in right about 2.5 on that cutting edge. Of course, you know, grip length is pretty much handle length. I mean, you can squeeze up on that kick a little bit to eke a little bit more out. And if you're always concerned about slip joints and them slipping on you, get up on that kick, give you a little bit of extra security. But very, very nice. So we'll just whip out the old bug out here just for a quick size comparison. But there you go. That's how it compares into the bug out. Let's get an overall weight. I believe believe it said 2.8 ounces. We'll see. Oh, we'll start in grams. Why not? 61 grams or 2.2 ounces. Okay. I don't know. Maybe I guess I was dreaming. Thought I saw 2.8, but it's only 2.2. So, slip carry. Oh, I forgot to grab a slip. Let's see which one of the Rosecraft slips fits it best. I got them right here. They're right here. We have the large and the small. So the small would do. Small would fit it fine. I just put it in there for fit, guys. Don't worry if it's pivot up, pivot down. It won't hurt it in this case. I mean, the large, you know, gives it a little bit more protection. You're down maybe about 3/8 of an inch. The small slip, I mean, you're pretty much right at the top, but the small slip would work very easily. Fairly secure in there too. Got to give it a little squeeze to get it to come out. Yeah, so I mean, either will work. The small will work for sure, which is good. And I had my Barlow in that one, and the Barlow is pretty much right at the top too. So there you go. So either one of those slips will work for it for sure. But all right, let's. I've done drooling. No, I'm not done drooling over the burlwood. But let's take a look at the micarta. We'll just do a quick check over fit and finish. I mean, it's the same knife. We'll set that one to the side so it doesn't... It's still distracting me, even off to the side. Anyway, green micarta. There you go. That looks really nice as well. Again, bomb shield, fantastic. Pins, fantastic. Transitions, take a guess. Yes, fantastic. Back spring, you guessed it. Yeah, fit and finish is absolutely... Well, it's fantastic. That's what it is. Centering. Oh, I didn't look at the centering on this one. Oh, man. Yeah, why did I even look? I mean, I know it's good. Whew, wrong side. There we go. Very good. Let's see. We've got the long pull again. About the same. About the same. It feels like it's got a little bit stronger kick into that half stop. A little bit. Back spring might be just a hair. And I mean just a hair. Yeah, this one's seems like it's got a little bit... Okay, we got a nice clack there. Let's go back. Oh, we've only got the single. It's pretty close. Pretty close. But there. I mean, I'm just going to be honest. The micarta is fantastic, but it doesn't hold a candle to the burlwood. It just can't. You know, that burlwood is gorgeous. Sorry, Andy, I'm not speaking bad about your choice of micarta. Not at all. It's just, yeah, the burlwood steals the show. Without even, it doesn't even have to try. But, very cool. Another really, really nice looking knife from Rosecraft Blades. And of course, designer himself, Mr. Andy Armstrong. Couple of beauties, Andy. Very, very well done. Like I said, this is not the only model dropping today. The MA12 button lock is also dropping if you want to take a look at something in the more modern realm. Just remember, if you go to Rosecraft Blades to pick up your brand new Mud Creek Congress, BigRedEDC saves you 10%. If you prefer shopping at Traditiaonal Pocket Knives, you can also save 10% there with code BigRed10. So there'll be links and coupon codes down in the comments. Choose which one you want to use and use away. But either place, it'll save you a little bit of money. What, at $59.99 for either one of these models? So you're going to save $6. So you'll get it for just under $53. I don't think that qualifies for free shipping. I believe it's $75 and above. So if you get yourself a slip, I don't remember what their slips cost at Rosecraft. It might bring you up to that $75 for free shipping. It might not. I don't remember exactly. 15? Are they 15 or 20? I don't remember for sure. And if you go to TPK and you'd rather have a TPK slip, he has slips there too. So anyway, just wherever you go to TPK, go to Rosecraft Blades. Just use the correct code for the correct site and save yourself some money. That's the big thing. That is the big thing. But thank you so much, Andy, for sending these out. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Like I said, the MA12 button lock also releases today. I'll have a video on that one here in the next few days at some point. So keep your eyes open for that. As always, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Till next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.